Hello people, do you know caterpillars can get even more hangry than humans? Do you believe eating chili peppers may help us to live longer? Yup, it is true. In this video let's watch the concept behind these facts. Let's begin. Caterpillars, you won't like them when they're hangry. That's according to a new study from Florida Atlantic University, which found that the insects may turn violent when food is scarce. Researchers noticed that when monarch butterfly caterpillars were deprived of milkweed leaves, their favorite food, they behaved more aggressively towards each other. In fact, the less food there was, the more the caterpillars lunged and knocked aside other individuals, going as far as headbutting to reach food. Aggression is common in insects, including fruit flies, where single pheromone receptors or single genes have been shown to trigger their aggression, said lead researcher Professor Alex Keene. Caterpillars closest to the final stage, i.e. those about to turn into butterflies, were found to be the most aggressive. And for good reason. A lack of nutrition in the insect's youth may reduce its size in adulthood, but also decrease its lifespan. Although the study was undertaken in a lab, a lack of milkweed is a common issue in the wild. While this is chiefly because the plant only grows during select parts of the year, caterpillars' ravenous and territorial nature also has an impact. If you compare a monarch caterpillar to a fruit fly, when there are a lot of larvae on a piece of rotting fruit, they feed socially with little evidence of territoriality, said Keene. But each caterpillar will, at some point in its developmental cycle, encounter resource limitation because they can strip an entire milkweed of leaves. Monarch caterpillars, common to the U.S., are known to consume an entire milkweed plant in 2 weeks. During their biggest and hungriest phase, a single caterpillar can eat an entire leaf in 300 seconds. Chili peppers. Research from Cleveland Clinic's Heart, Vascular and Thoracic Institute suggests people who regularly chow down on chili peppers may live for longer and have a significantly reduced risk of dying from cardiovascular disease or cancer. Previous studies have found that capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their characteristic kick, can have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer and blood glucose regulating effects when eaten. To further investigate the effects of consuming chili peppers, the researchers gathered together the health and dietary records of more than 570,000 patients in the US, Italy, China, and Iran, published in 4 previous large-scale scientific studies. They found that those who ate chili peppers regularly had a 26% reduction in cardiovascular disease mortality, a 23% relative reduction in cancer mortality, and a 25% relative reduction in all-cause mortality, compared to those who rarely or never ate them. We were surprised to find that in these previously published studies, regular consumption of chili pepper was associated with an overall risk reduction of all-cause NU and cancer mortality. Highlights that dietary factors may play an important role in overall health, said senior author or 130 Su, a cardiologist at Cleveland Clinic's Heart and Vascular and Thoracic Institute. The exact reasons and mechanisms that might explain our findings, though, are currently unknown, he added. Therefore, it is impossible to conclusively say that eating more chili pepper can prolong life and reduce deaths, especially from cardiovascular factors or cancer. More research, especially evidence from randomized controlled studies, is needed to confirm these preliminary findings. Additionally, as the precise amount and type of chili pepper consumed varied across the 4 studies used in the research, it's tricky to determine exactly how much and what type of chili peppers may provide the health benefits. However, the researchers are continuing to analyze the data in the hope of uncovering more concrete evidence. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do subscribe Buggy Brain's Newscorner for more videos. We'll meet in next video. Until then, eat chili peppers.